We are in two trades, one in Q13 range and one oil 8. It had been once again very fascinating day. Here it is. NQ collapsed from this level as we spelled out when we opened up our trading room. I had taken short on NQ21 range and then reversed and had taken long on NQ13. Once again, respecting decision point 1 highly, simply showing the power of the method. It doesn't matter if it's range chart, it doesn't matter if it's hourly, formula remains the same. Oil is taking a bit of a pause at decision point 1 still. Once again, I'm still remaining incredibly bullish on oil as we're monitoring our 1 hour trade. I'm expecting 106.58 to the upside. This is actually trade number 7. It had been incredibly active day, so let's just count the number of trades we had taken. Total trade number 6 on oil, 2 trades on AS and 2 trades on NQ. Please don't do this at home. On AS, I chose not to take profits at decision point 1 due to ratio. First trade netted 2 points, second trade for demonstration purposes. I spelled out. Pay attention to decision point 1, and it was very critically and very precisely respected. And once again, we're witnessing exactly the same thing on NQ13 and oil 8. Oil had reached decision point 2, NQ is frozen at decision point 1. Precision in trading is absolutely essential and critical to your trading success. If you could be in the most spectacular trade, but if you don't know where to take profits off the table, nothing good will happen. I'm still monitoring the formations. And once again, exactly the same thing happened on ES 1 hour. On NQ, I expect quite a pullback at 3080. 3080 is absolutely critical on NQ. If you remember, 2 days ago we entered trade on NQ in trading rooms that went overnight for 15 points. So if you know how to trail, you know when to monitor the formations and when to remain in the trade. So we're remaining in this magnificent trade on NQ. 2 lovely trades on NQ today, 21 and 13. Alright, let's see what will happen on this trade when NQ will hit danger zone levels. I expect a pullback. That's how price moves. So let's see what price will do, shall we? When NQ will reach danger zone levels. And this is it. Very simple and very clear. If you know where these levels are, you know what not to enter into, you know where to take profits off the table. NQ gave us quite a pullback this morning. We had taken a short 21 range and currently we're long. And also heads up, see the correlation between decision point 1 3086 and 3086 here, which is danger zone levels. Trailing NQ very carefully, stop 3078. If If you know how to trade ES, ES is setting up for very, very powerful structure. If you know alpha wave trader method outside of decision point 1. Once 1680 is broken, price will fly to 1692.50. But the key is to know the rules of the method, when to move your stop, when to move your targets. And Q is taking a pause because it had reached danger zone levels. Is this clear? Trail 3079.50. I was hoping to close this NQ trade before I close trading room. But since this trade is still on, I'm closing trading room with a trail on NQ at 3080. Because as spelled out, I expect very powerful pullback at this level. But there we go. That's the power of the method. You know where to take profits off the table. You know when to stay out. So traders, do remember and highlight these levels, and we'll review them tomorrow on NQ, on ES, on oil. Is that clear? Have a fantastic afternoon, everybody. Look forward seeing you tomorrow.